Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another episode of Vlogmas. I know I missed a few days, but I am back with a laundry episode. This is probably my least favorite household chore of them all. So I'm going to share with you guys a few tips, tricks, and hacks, and some of my favorite laundry products that I use in order to get this job done. I like to wash all my clothes on the casual color cycle that my washing machine has. I know everybody's is different. I like to set the water temperature to either warm or hot, depending on what I'm washing. The first hack that I want to share with you guys is start off with the load of laundry that you absolutely have to get done, because I am that person that will leave clothes in the dryer. I will tumble that stuff for about 2 to 3 days before I actually put it away. But if I absolutely have to have clothes clean for the next day, I do that load first, so that way I know that I will finish the whole entire cycle. I'm starting off with my kids' clothes tonight because I absolutely have to have clean uniforms in the morning. Now, this brings me to my second hack. As you guys can tell, I'm going through each piece of clothing and just making sure that everything is turned in one direction. I don't know about y'all, but my kids will take off their clothes haphazardly. There will be socks inside out in little balls. One pant leg is inside out, one is right side in. It just doesn't make any sense. So I like to make sure that it's all going one direction. I don't care whether it's inside out or right side in. That doesn't matter to me. Doing this process, I find, helps making sure that each piece of clothing is getting thoroughly cleaned while it's in the washer. It also helps with the folding process later on. For my kids' clothes, my son does have sensitive skin, so I stick to the all free and clear. This has no dyes, no parabens, no fragrance, and it still gets the clothes really nice and clean. If you have any type of sensitivity to a fragrance, I highly recommend all. It is very cheap and inexpensive, and it often goes on sale just about anywhere. Once the clothes are done washing, I'm gonna go ahead and toss them in the dryer. This load in particular was a little bit bigger than a typical load that I would do, and I did end up having to go back and tumble it for a little bit longer just to make sure that everything was really dry. The next load of laundry I'm gonna do are my work uniforms and some work clothes. This load is like my second important load, so I know that as long as I get it in the dryer before I go to bed, I'm good. When I tell y'all I am so lazy when it comes to laundry, I despise it. I do whatever I can to not spend as much time doing laundry as possible. If this is the first episode of Vlogmas you guys are seeing, I shared in a previous episode my favorite laundry detergent combination. I will leave everything that I'm using linked down below. This Arm & Hammer detergent smells divine, and you can smell it while your clothes are washing, and I absolutely love that. And this Downy fabric softener is really nice as well. I love the scent. Once the kids' clothes are done drying, I'm gonna go ahead and throw them in the basket and bring them to my room. If you have clothes that absolutely need to be put away, fold them in a place where you cannot push them to the side. In this case, I'm folding them on my bed. It's late at night. I know that I have to go to sleep, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these clothes folded and put away because I know I need my bed to sleep in. Another tip that I wanna share is set yourself a timer, like a 10-minute timer, and try to beat your timer while you're folding your clothes. So I won't say that it makes folding any more fun, but sometimes you find yourself wanting to beat the clock, so you end up getting it done a lot quicker. I am somebody who can get easily distracted when folding clothes. I'll watch TV, I'll play on my phone. A lot of times I do this when something is cooking in the oven and I'll have a timer going and I'm like, oh, well, you know what? I could go ahead and get these clothes folded and put away before this timer ends, and sometimes it helps me and I get it done. Sometimes I don't, but it's fine. I recently came across this easy way to fold your jeans so that they lay really flat. I wanted to show you guys how I'm doing it in real time. It's super easy and it does help with the bulkiness. I don't always hang up my kids' uniform pants, so I fold them really nice and neat. The next tip I'm going to share with you guys is to lay your clothes that you need to hang up flat on the bed. And then once you're done and you're ready to hang the clothes up, grab your hangers and put the hangers in each shirt, folding them in half as you go. I hope that makes sense. I'm going to show you guys a clip just in a second. Once you have all the hangers put into the collars of the shirts, all you have to do is grab them, bring them to the closet, and you're all set. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did and you want to see more lifestyle hacks or videos like this from me in the future, be sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and I will see you guys in my next upload, which will be very soon. Bye!